Welcome to For a Prosperous Life. Today I'm revealing a personal financial revolution, how the power of my mindset combined with the latest AI technology helped me automate my way to prosperity. If you've ever felt overwhelmed handling your money, struggled to stick with a budget, or wished for a financial assistant, this is the story for you. Chapter 1. The money struggle most of us face. For years, my relationship with money was shaped by emotions, anxiety over bills, confusion about investments, frustration with failed budgets. Tracking spending was a hassle, and saving for the future felt almost impossible. Like millions of people, I thought wealth building required superhuman discipline or a finance degree. But then I discovered two game-changing truths. First, your financial destiny starts with your mindset. Second, you don't have to do it alone. Today's AI money managers can automate, optimize, and simplify everything. Chapter 2. The Mindset Shift. The biggest change happens inside your head. Successful wealth builders believe managing money can be easy, and they seize new tools to make it that way. When I finally let go of the myth, I have to do it all myself, I unlocked my ability to grow. I started with a new story. What if a digital assistant could watch my spending for me? What if every dollar had a mission assigned automatically? That thought sparked the biggest transformation of my life. Chapter 3. Enter the AI Money Manager. By 2025, AI has transformed personal finance. In fact, 75% of consumers now rely on AI-driven budgeting tools to manage expenses, invest, and plan for the future. Apps like Clio, Monarch Money, Personal Capital, and Pierre have emerged as the backbone of modern money management, each offering unique features that take the headache out of finances. These apps use machine learning, predictive analytics, and friendly interfaces to help you. Track every dollar set and forget your budget. Get instant spending alerts. Optimize investments automatically. Forecast future cash flow. Spot sneaky subscriptions. Plan for taxes and big purchases. Chapter 4. Automating to Freedom. I used to stress every payday about bills, saving, and whether I'd missed something. But as soon as I connected my accounts to an AI money manager, my stress disappeared. Here's how automation set me free. Smart budgeting. Instead of guessing how much I could spend, my AI app scanned transactions, categorized expenses, and built a dynamic budget that adjusted with my lifestyle. Saving on autopilot. Through predictive analysis, the AI figured out when I had extra cash and moved it to savings without me having to think about it. Bill reminders and alerts. No more late fees. Real-time notifications meant I always paid on time. Investments managed 24/7. Robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront. Use AI to tailor portfolios, automatically rebalance, and minimize fees based on my unique goals. Without any deep market knowledge, I was growing my wealth like a pro. Chapter 5. How AI delivers results. AI money managers are revolutionizing every aspect of finance with real, measurable results. Personalization. The apps adapt to my habits, giving me bite-sized recommendations and actionable insights, unique to me. Fraud prevention. AI flags suspicious transactions instantly, boosting security. Cash flow forecasting. No more surprises. My app predicts big expenses and helps prepare for them in advance. Investment optimization. Advanced algorithms provide tax loss harvesting, diversified asset allocation, and long-term growth. The impact? Users of AI-powered financial tools have increased savings rates by up to 40%, with improved investment returns, decreased debt, and much higher peace of mind. Chapter 6. Blending Mindset and Machine. It wasn't just about handing over control, I had to take the right action. I chose to trust technology. I chose to commit to better spending habits. I set clear financial intentions, then let the AI do the grunt work. Your thoughts create your reality, but automation enforces discipline. Every positive money thought was backed by an automated behavior, so progress was inevitable. Chapter 7. Day-to-day financial peace. My days of money stress evaporated. Instead of worrying, I simply checked my dashboard. The app spotted cost savings, reminded me to cancel unused subscriptions, and even cheered my small wins. My relationship with money became calm, organized, and most importantly, optimistic. Monthly reviews became a quick check-in, not a dreaded task. The AI pointed out signs of improvement, suggested where to trim, and prompted new saving or investing opportunities. Chapter 8. Overcoming Fear and Doubt. A common fear is that technology will mess up or that you'll lose track by automating. But the opposite happened. AI boosted my awareness, increased my confidence, and because the algorithms are transparent and trustworthy, I always stayed in control. If you struggle with letting go, start with one task. Automate bill payments or daily savings. Each small step builds trust, and data dashboards let you see the impact instantly. Chapter 9: The Power of Data and Privacy. AI money managers respect your privacy. Leading apps use bank-level encryption, never sell your data, and give you total control over what's shared. When you're armed with better data, patterns, visualizations, historical trends, you make smarter decisions. Knowledge is power, and now it's at your fingertips. Chapter 10: Building Wealth, One Algorithm at a Time. With automation, the basics happen behind the scenes. Budgeting, tracking, investing, all improved. Greater consistency, fewer mistakes. Emotional triggers like impulse purchases are flagged. Every dollar works harder. Growing in the background, I went from feeling behind to feeling prepared, from fearing money talks to looking forward to them. The compounding effects, both financial and emotional, are game-changing. Chapter 11: Why AI technology is for everyone. You don't need to be wealthy to benefit. AI financial management is accessible, affordable, and scalable to every lifestyle. From gig workers to entrepreneurs to families, these tools bridge the gap, bringing pro-level techniques to all. Success stories are everywhere. Freelancers handling erratic income, busy parents gaining control, retirees maximizing nest eggs, young adults learning healthy habits early. Chapter 12: Practical tips to start with AI money management. Ready to automate your financial life? Here's how. 1. Choose an AI app that matches your needs, budgeting, investing, or all in one. 2. Link your accounts securely, checking, savings, cards, and investments. 3. Set clear goals, like saving for an emergency fund or paying down debt. 4. Turn on alerts and daily snapshots. 5. Automate at least one task, a savings transfer, or bill pay. 6. Review and adjust regularly using your AI's reports. 7. Always stay informed with in-app tips and guides. AI is designed to teach as well as manage. Chapter 13: Empowerment through Partnership. AI is not just a tool, but a partner. It's the accountability coach, the analyst, the assistant, freeing up your mental bandwidth so you can focus on earning, living, and growing. When your mindset matches your tools, believing in abundance, acting with discipline, letting automation work for you, wealth isn't just possible, it's the obvious result. Chapter 14: Looking to the future. AI in finance is evolving. Real-time voice assistants, virtual financial advisors. Predictive analytics for life planning. Integration with smart home and IoT. The financial landscape is becoming more fair, transparent, and opportunity-rich than ever before. By adopting these innovations, anyone can leverage market-level insights and strategies for personal gain. My wealth creation journey. With a mindset open to abundance and the right AI tools at my fingertips, I created wealth step by step. No more worry, no more confusion, just simple, automated progress, guided by the best of both human thought and machine intelligence. If I can do it, so can you. Start today. Imagine your abundant future. Set clear intentions and let the best AI money manager guide your journey. Thank you for watching For a Prosperous Life. Like, share, and subscribe for more on leveraging technology and mindset.